Nelly.
Hey.
Opa. Ooh.
I feel like I should probably introduce Nelly to Joyce. Give me a second.
Kennst du noch Peter? Nee, wir können nicht Paw Patrol spielen, ich muss arbeiten. She's asking to play Paw Patrol. I'm telling her I'm working incredibly hard. Can't do it. Geht nicht, nee.
Können wir dann nie wieder Paw Patrol spielen?
Doch, aber nicht jetzt, wenn ich arbeiten muss.
Aber können wir gleich.
Nein, ich muss nur ganz lange arbeiten.
Danach.
Danach musst du vielleicht schon schlafen.
Muss etwa 1000 Minuten arbeiten.
Ungefähr 1000 Minuten.
He is disappearing because of the background.
Wow. Peter has a new dog. Hi,
Say
Joyce.
Hi,
Siehst du den Hund? Is the dog real or is it a green screen?
it's a very real dog, yeah. Hang on a sec. Let me
The green screen was eating him. Yeah, there we go.
yeah, there we go.
Stealth dog.
Yeah, very, very stealthy dog. Very sharp teeth. Also, he like genuinely disappears when it's dark because he's like utterly black.
Is that a new development in your household?
Yeah, we got ourselves like a 15 to 20 years worth of antidepressants, so doing a bit better.
Sounds like a great idea. Nelly, what's up?